Let's say line L1 is y equals to mx 3x plus 1, L2 is 2y equals to x plus 3, and L3 is y equals to mx plus 4. So from here, if I compare with the standard equation of the line, which is y equals to mx plus c, to the each equation I can get the value of the slopes of each equation. So from here, if I compare with standard equation, m1 will be 3. If I compare with the standard equation, m2 will be, I have to write y equals to mx by 2 plus 3 by 2. So I can say m2 will be 1 by 2, and m3 will be m. Now it is given that the line y equals to 3x plus 1 and 2y equals to x plus 3 are equally inclined. Equally inclined means the angle between the lines y equals to 3x plus 1 and y equals to 3x mx plus 4 is same as the angle between the line 2y equals to x plus 3 and y equals to mx plus 4. Or I can say angle between L1 and L3 equals to angle between L2 and L3. Or from here I can say this is the sign of the angle between. So from here I can say tan theta 1 equals to tan theta 2. It is tan theta 1 and it is theta 1 and it is theta 2. So tan theta 1 will be m1 minus m3 divided by 1 plus m1 m3 equal to m2 minus m3 divided by 1 plus m2 multiplied by m3. So from here I can write it will be m1 is 3 minus m3 is m divided by 1 plus m1 m3 will be 3m equals to, from here I can write m2 is 1 by 2 minus m3 is m divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 into m will be m by 2. Now there are two possibilities. First one is 3 minus m divided by 1 plus 3m will be 1 by 2 minus m divided by 1 plus m by 2. And the second one will be 3 minus m divided by 1 plus 3m equals to minus of 1 by 2 minus m divided by 1 plus m by 2. So from here I can write 3 minus m multiplied by 1 plus m by 2 equals to 1 by 2 minus m multiplied by 1 plus 3m. So if I solve this, I'll get 3 plus 3m by 2 minus m square by 2 equal to 1 by 2 plus 3m by 2 minus m minus 3m square. If I solve this expression, I'll get 3 minus 1 by 2 will be 5 by 2 equals to 3m plus 3m by 2 will get cancelled, and minus m also will cancel, and minus 3m square plus m square by 2, or from here I can say 5 by 2 equals to, it will be minus 5 by 2 m square, or I can say m square equals to minus 1. From here I can get the value of m will be under root minus 1, which is not real, and we know that the slope must be real, so this will not our answer. So we need to solve the second expression. If I solve this, I'll get 3 minus m multiplied by 1 plus m by 2 equals to, it will be m minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3m. If I solve this, I'll get 3 plus 3m by 2 minus m square by 2 equals to m plus 3m square minus 1 by 2 minus 3m by 2. I'm just solving the expression. So from here I'll get 3 plus 1 by 2 will be 7 by 2, and the m will be, from here I can write it will be 3m by 2 minus m will be m by 2 minus m square by 2 equals to, here m minus 3m by 2 will be minus m by 2 plus 3m square. So if I solve this, I'll get 7 by 2 plus m equals to 3m square minus m square by 2. Sorry, it will be plus m square by 2. So it will be 7 plus 2m equals to 7m square. So we need to solve the equation 7m square minus 2m minus 7 equals to 0. So solution of the equation 7m square minus 2m plus minus 7 will be m equals to minus of minus 2 plus minus under root b square. So b square b minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus 2 plus minus, it will be minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 7 into minus 7 divided by, it will be 2 into 7. So if I solve this, I'll get 2 plus minus under root 4 plus 49 into 4 divided by 2 into 7, or I can say it will be 2 plus minus 2 under root 50 divided by 2 into 7. So from here I can get, if I simplify it, I'll get m equals to 1 plus minus under root 50. I can write it as 5 into 5 into 2 divided by 7. So our answer m will be 1 plus minus 5 under root 2 divided by 7. So this will be our value of m.